Sennheiser 416 people, do you have a screw loose? I guess I should say, does your microphone have a screw loose? Hi, it's Randy. I've been using this Sennheiser 416 for a long time. I use it mainly for commercial work. I have another microphone that's a large diaphragm one that I use for long-form narration, audiobooks, those kind of things. But I love this mic, and it sounds really good, unless I would touch the mic arm and adjust where it was positioned, and then it would make all kinds of crackling noises. It reminded me of a noise when you don't have a good connection with your mic cable. So smart. I said, well, let's replace the mic cable. That'll take care of it. It did not. And I was getting ready to send it off recently to have it looked at. I'm thinking, okay, $150 to have it diagnosed. And then if they need to replace something, if they need to solder something, at least a few hundred more dollars. And I'm thinking, yeah, I really don't want to do that. So the other night I did another Google search to see if anybody else was having the problem. And I watched a video where the guy said, all you have to do is tighten this screw and it takes care of it. I'm like, yeah, right. Well, it turns out there's a little tiny screw right over here that holds this case on. And I found that mine was loose. So I took it all the way out and I took the case off. And inside, there's another tiny screw that kind of keeps this part where the microphone goes into tight. And it was a little bit loose, and it was kind of jingling around. I'm like, okay, I tightened that up. I put this back on. I tightened this up, and lo and behold, I can move my microphone around without it making any kind of crackling noise. I figure I just saved about $400 or $500. Maybe it'll save you a buck or two. Or maybe it's something else. Good luck. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Sennheiser 416.